Hello and welcome to a new video from Paraguay. Now I have some guests from the US and they are here with us. We came together to this place called Salto, Minas. So I am here with people from the USA. They are here just for 2 days. They sleep at our guest room we have. And we want to show you some nice places from Paraguay. So if you wish to know more about Paraguay or wish to visit Paraguay or maybe getting the residency from Paraguay, I invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will bring more videos every week, new videos from Paraguay, and I will give you more information about Paraguay. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. I wish you a better life.